Hey guys, it's Ola from Income Ola, and today I'm gonna show you how to verify your YouTube account through iPhone. You probably noticed that from your YouTube app you can't verify your account. Also, you cannot do it from YouTube Studio from the mobile device. So the only way to do it is just go to your Chrome extension on your iPhone. If you don't have it, download it. Go into your Chrome. Make sure you logged in an account that you want to verify. You go to this little icon on the right and you make sure this is the account. If not, you can switch it. Now, go into search and type youtube.com/verify. And here you have to select your country and then you choose text me verification code and you put your phone number inside. Then you click submit. You type inside your verification code and you click submit. Now congratulations, YouTube account is now verified. When you're verified by YouTube, you can upload longer videos, make custom thumbnails and much more. So you should definitely verify your account with your phone number. If you get value from this video, give it a big thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.